Welcome back to Shalom Meadows, y'all. This week we're going to be starting on the sheetrock for the ceiling. We're going to be painting it because to keep from it to get all moldy from where it was leaking, and mold was trying to form on the roof or ceiling, not the roof, the ceiling. They're still leaking in the windows. So like I did a few weeks ago, how I put that silicone or whatever it is on the trim to try to keep it from leaking. I'm going to do that again. And I mean, we doing what we can to try to stop the leaks. Like we said, we might have been on YouTube for a year, but we're still new to doing this stuff. We try to do what we can when we can do it. Remember, this channel is about us flipping a old rundown building, 1960s, 1970s, into our home. So we're hoping that you're enjoying the ride, and you just keep on watching. Thank you for coming back. It's hot. Wow, it's hot. This is hot.
What is hot?
This weather.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all don't know what I'm doing, guys. I don't either. This done come down to one of the last resorts that I'm just painting everything. I'm just painting everything.
We're about to actually, if this is a work, then we are going to get house wrap and wrap everything that we can.
This ladder's hot. And I don't mean, I mean, ow. Guys, I'm a redneck. My neck's done been so red so many times, I don't even know if it can get redder. Literally.
What was that?
Did y'all see that?
Whatever.
She blew and about pushed me over.
Really?
I'm kidding. I had one of those moments. And I'm kind of pondering too. Yeah, I said pondering. When we put the siding on, it might be in the fall. We might put a little on in the summer, but it might be in the fall because it's hot.
South Carolina weather.
Don't tell them where we live. Hoping for some rain now, guys,
Test it out.
Test it out. Well, want it to dry first, of course. Unlike other times when we've been dealing with the window and it starts raining in the process of doing the window. Oh, thankful for the rain. Yes, cools it down. Need it for the plants, everything. Grass to grow, get real tall. Going through a forest, I don't know what I'm talking about now. But it usually happens when we're doing the window. So, today it's very, very, very hot. I don't know. Probably 2/4 shy of a boiling water point. Not really. But I feel like I'm almost boiling. Yeah, I don't know what I was saying. That's me. That's my wife. My wife's like, he jabbers on and on sometime and don't even know what he's talking about, So, yeah. If I go up one more step, y'all gotta give this video a like. Oh, hey y'all. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell and share. I'm gonna leave you on a cliffhanger. To be continued. Shalom, y'all.